Today I wanted to do a really quick tutorial to show you how you can target businesses on LinkedIn that have been around for a certain period of time. So your solutions or your products may cater to businesses that are early stage that have teething problems or particular challenges arise in those first couple of years. Or at the other end of the spectrum, your solutions might be catered to businesses that are very established and have been around for 10 years plus. So I want to show you quickly how you can target those businesses. So first of all, I come down to the Sales Navigator tool, which you need to put in this information. Let's say I want to go for the owner of a business. I'll just use a very general example, and we want them to be a reasonably sized company, so 11 to 50 employees, which suggests a reasonable amount of payroll. So they're doing some revenue, you'd think, if they're able to pay 11 plus team members. But here's where the filtering based on how long the company's been around is here, years at the current company. So if you go less than 1 year, you'll know that these owners, these 30,000 owners that you can see up here with 11 or 50 more employees in their company have been operating for less than 12 months. And that might be the perfect fit for the solutions you offer. And then you can, of course, go filter based on their industry, location, and so forth to get more specific. At the other end of the spectrum, you might want to go for more than 10 years of operation, so you know that their business is proven and they have different problems at that stage. You can see 110,000 businesses in this category, so you probably want to break that down into industries, locations, and so forth to get more specific. So there's just a neat little tip or trick if your solutions are more catered to early stage or startup businesses, or for more established or experienced businesses, so you can filter so you're not getting people that already have that problem solved or haven't got to that problem yet. Hope this was helpful. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. We drop at least 2 LinkedIn marketing tutorials every week at the moment. If you've got a question, put it in the comments below. We'll get back to you as soon as possible.